Hi guys! Joy morning! Today is August 17, 2025 guys. Kagigising ko lang. Pasensya na sa boses ko. And yes, ngayon lang ako guys nakapag-vlog kasi na-busy ako guys. Hindi lang din sa work, sa daily life. Nadagdagan pa ng pagiging tendera sa TikTok. Kaya medyo wala akong vlogs guys this past few days. A week na yata. I even forgot na when was the last time I had posted a vlog. But anyways, update ng about sa house loan guys. Good news. Yes, okay na. Approved na talaga lahat. And napareserve ko yung house na nagustuhan ko. Last month, July 27 yun, guys, nag-contract signing na ako with the seller and agent. So, para mapareserve ko talaga guys yung house na nagustuhan ko para hindi na mangyari yung sa first one na naunahan ako, talagang naglabas ako ng pera for reservation. Mention ko na din kung how much, 1 million yen, para hindi na siya maipakita pa sa ibang buyers. Kaya yun na pa-reserve na talaga. Sinigurado ko na guys. Ayun. And then, supposedly, yung house checking with the seller and agent is sa 23 pa dapat. So, napa-early, today siya gagawin. Sunday kasi ngayon, day off. And then, napaaga kasi nga, yung final screening ng aking loan, the other day, lumabas yung resulta. Tama ba ako? Yes. 15. August 15. Yun, kasi yung sa screening kasi guys ng bangko, may initial screening, may final screening. Ayun, grabe, sa awa ng Diyos, na-approve na talaga. Kaya saya ko guys, kasi 'di ba, ang dami ko rin napagdaanan talaga bago ko makuha yung loan approval na to. At saka mag-isa lang kasi ako, alam niyo naman na single mom ako, wala akong partner, wala akong boyfriend. Kaya lahat ako nag-aasikaso, and thankful ako sa family and friends ko kasi talagang pinag-pray din talaga nila yung aking house loan journey. Kasi talagang pinangarap ko na magkaroon ng not a house. I am not actually was looking for a house. I wanted a home, my own home here in Japan. And the journey wasn't easy. Grabe guys. Kasi nga, yun, mag-isa lang ako. Pero, powerful talaga guys yung prayer. Everyday guys, maging habit natin yung mag-pray. Be thankful and grateful sa mga nangyayari sa life natin. Good things man yan or bad things. Everything happens for a reason. Trust Him, trust yourself, and trust the process. Guys, isasama ko kayo today sa house checking. So for now guys, babangon na muna ako para mag-prepare ng breakfast.